Alright, I've got a section of pipe here where it has come undone from this flange right here. And I'm going to attempt to repair that. Alright, here we are now with the pipe cut and the flange off. Just need to get the new one back on. So here's the old piece. Thing is just rusted. I don't know what happened. It just rusted out. It's funny how this this piece here that was, you know, attached to here, just totally. This piece was actually still stuck on the car on the other side that goes to the muffler. Had to pry that thing out because it came undone from that side. And then this is the piece I got from the junkyard, which is still in pretty good shape. So now all I have to do now is just trim this piece down so it's the same as kind of what that one was, and it should just go right back on again. Then I get like a butt joint clamp or something to hold them together. Okay, I just trimmed off a little section, and I used these cool exhaust pipe tubing cutters that I got from O'Reilly's rental from O'Reilly's, and they worked really good. I was pretty impressed with those. So yeah, now I'm going to put this back on and see how well it'll fit. Okay, there we go. Got the new piece on, and it's just ready for a band clamp to go on there. A butt joint band clamp should hold it just fine. Okie dokie. I got my custom butt joint band clamp on there. Oh, this is a temporary band clamp, mind you, until I can order a nice 2-inch butt joint band clamp, but this should hold for a while. So this is what I used for my temporary band clamp. It was some metal from this cookie tin. Actually, it's a imported Danish butter cookies. Pretty thin metal. It's not going to last forever. But anyway, desperate times calls for desperate measures. So if you're in a pinch, you need some flexible metal for a clamp. Grab your old cookie tin and tear it apart. Alright, we'll see how long it lasts. Bye.